Okay. Hi, my name is Larry Martin. I am the chairperson for the United Way Board for this year. Welcome to our 2020 campaign kickoff. Normally, we do this as a live event and we do it in the lunchroom at Hallmark Cards in Leavenworth. But because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we are obviously doing this virtually this year. So I want to thank you for your interest in watching this video. I want to thank all those who have participated in the payroll deduction in their companies and all those campaign leaders who have worked hard to solicit those donations. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected each and every one of us in some way or another. Some in our community have truly been hurting. And in addition, our partner agencies have been hurt this year because they have not been able to fundraise as they normally do. So the need is greater than ever. So as the pandemic has affected each one of us, we all have some capability to give time, talent, and treasure to help others. And so that's what this is all about. We're going to start our campaign kickoff meeting with two presentations. One is by Noita Kunert, who's the plant manager of the Hallmark plant in Leavenworth, and she's got a testimonial she's going to give. And then Brian Sanders, who's the corporate campaign leader for Hallmark Cards in Leavenworth, has also got a personal testimony. At this time, we'll start those videos.
Hi, my name is Noita Kunert, and I am the plant manager at the Leavenworth Hallmark facility, where we make gift presentation product. It's an honor to be here to help kick off Leavenworth County's 2020 United Way campaign drive. Our Leavenworth facility has partnered with the United Way of Leavenworth and the greater Kansas City area since 1951. In that time, we've raised over $70 million for the United Way. Now at Hallmark, our vision is to make a genuine difference in every life, every day, through our products and services. United Way is another opportunity for us to make that genuine difference in the lives of our neighbors through monetary donations and through the giving of our time and service to our community. Now, some may say that United Way helps in times of major catastrophes and/or pandemics, like we're experiencing today. For example, in response to COVID-19, the United Way of Greater Kansas City has issued 261 nonprofit organizations grants, totaling $10.5 million through the COVID-19 Response and Recovery Fund. Others may say that United Way is really about helping people, other people. I honestly never thought that I would need support from the United Way. It's always been something for someone else, but I was unbelievably wrong. Over 22 years ago, my mom was involved in a major accident where she had a closed head injury. Through the hospital, we received information from the Brain Injury Association, a United Way agency. Information that would help us know what to expect with my mom's injury, as well as know how to care for my mom. She also had to have many blood transfusions during that time, and so we appreciate the support of the Community Blood Center. Now, my youngest daughter, born a few years later, with a hole in her heart. Children's Mercy, another United Way agency, really gave our daughter and us unbelievable care and consideration. And about 2 years ago, I reached out to the Alzheimer's Association, another United Way agency, to provide me information on how to care for my mom in her early stages of dementia, as well as how to support my dad as her primary caregiver. Now, all of this to say, thank you. Thank you, United Way, and all of our fellow donors. You never know when you or someone in your family or a friend may need the support of a United Way agency. And what a meaningful way for us to make a genuine difference in so many lives every day in our communities. We look forward to continuing our partnership with the United Way, working together to extend its reach and to grow its impact. Thank you and have a great day.
Hello, my name is Brian Sanders, and I am a process planner. I work for Hallmark Cards here at the Leavenworth facility. I've worked for Hallmark for more than 40 years, and coincidentally, I've given to the United Way for 40 plus years. Initially, I started out giving because it seemed like the right thing to do. Got the opportunity early on to be a part of the United Way Volunteer Committee here at the Leavenworth plant, and I got a chance to go visit some of the local agencies that the United Way supports. This allowed me to see how and what the money does to assist many people and programs in need. Hallmarkers are very fortunate to have many available corporate resources to get assistance for various personal needs, but there are still those occasions when we and many others throughout the community have a need, and the United Way agencies are there to help. United Way has shown a long history of efficiently allocating funds across our community, and I know that there are many various agencies and organizations that the United Way helps to support that have a tremendous positive impact for individuals and families all across our Leavenworth County area. I am proud to say that I help in that support by giving to the United Way. Thank you.
I hope you found those testimonials to be uh, moving for you, and some personal testimonies on people with a very good perspective on what United Way does and how we help. I now want to introduce Derek Wolgemuth and Tamara Sevchik. They are our co-chairs for our 2020-2021 campaign committee.
Good morning. I am Derek Wolgemuth. I'm Vice President of Exchange Bank and Trust, and I'm co-chair of the 2021 United Way of Leavenworth County fundraising campaign. And I am here this morning with Tamara Sevchik, my co-chair. First, we'd like to thank you for your generous support of our local United Way in the past. Secondly, we'd like to thank you for your time to watch and hopefully share this video to show your support for our United Way. Our theme for this year's campaign is Recover, Rebuild, Let's Be United. This year, we have set our fundraising campaign goal at $182,000. We cannot do this without you. A donation to our local United Way can help so many different people in our community, from helping with early education of our youth, to helping our neighbors recover after disaster, to helping others to rebuild physically, mentally, and financially. Please join me in financially supporting our United Way so that we can fulfill this year's theme of Recover, Rebuild, Let's Be United. Next, we are going to hear from Mary Mack. She's a current United Way board member, and she has been a board member since 2013, and she was the campaign chair in 2014. She has a personal testimony that she'd like to share with you.
Thank you, Derek. As Derek said, I have been with the United Way since 2013. I did serve as the campaign chair in 2014. And the way I got involved with this board was I had a coworker here at LCDC that was leaving, and she had a seat on the United Way board then. And she just asked if I would like to take her seat when she left, and I couldn't wait. I jumped at the opportunity to be a part of this organization because it helped me out so many years ago whenever I was in a time of need. We arrived in Leavenworth some 30-something years ago, and we experienced some difficulties and some setbacks, and we came to a point where we really needed some assistance. And so we had no idea of anybody in Leavenworth, no resources. We didn't know hardly anything about the area. And we were referred to the Salvation Army, which is a partner of the United Way. And it was just amazing how well they took care of us, how they received us. The things that they did for us are just a blessing. They not only helped us financially, but they offered us child care assistance and assistance in other ways that we would have never thought possible. And who knows where we could have been had we not seeked out and used that resource that was available to us. And so I know that there are a lot of people out there that are struggling, that are having tough times now, paying bills, having child care, medical, whatever the situation is. There are agencies out there under United Way that can help you. And we just urge you to use those resources and reach out to them, because that's what they're there for, is to help people in need. And I say this because they were a blessing to me and my family. And I know that they will be a blessing for everyone else that seeks them out and uses them. And I also want to say that Leavenworth is now and has always been such a wonderful community. And I just hope that they will continue to support the United Way and the partner agencies so that they can be able to continue to do what they do best, which is help those in need. And like he said, continue to recover from this COVID virus. And now I am going to turn it over to Nancy Bowder, who is the Executive Director for United Way of Leavenworth County. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Nancy Bowder. I'm the Executive Director of United Way of Leavenworth County. And as Mary said, our board members are leaders like Mary in our community. And it's been my honor over the years to work with United Way. We have board members, leaders, and community members on our board who help look at the community impact that we create and help those agencies that most impact our community. This year, our partner agencies are the Alliance Against Family Violence, the American Red Cross, the Baser Linwood Assistance Services, Catholic Charities of Northeast Kansas, First Judicial CASA Association, the Kids Connection, Leavenworth County Special Olympics, Mental Health America of the Heartland, the Richard Allen Cultural Center, St. Vincent Clinic, the Salvation Army, Special Needs Advocacy Partnership, or SNAP, Team Tongi, and the Women's Community Y. Today we have with us, representing one of our partner agencies, St. Vincent Clinic, we have Bess Bonowitz, who is the Marketing and Development Manager for St. Vincent, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about the agency perspective. Bess?
Thanks, Nancy. You know, small town communities are a little bit of an acquired taste. My husband grew up in a small town south of Emporia called Hamilton, Kansas. It's a town of 300 people. Everyone there knew everyone, and they all helped each other. And when he was 12, he moved back to Kansas City, where his parents are from, and he's always maintained his affection for small towns. After we got engaged, he talked about moving us back there, but I was not enthused. Fast forward a few years later, we were house shopping and we came to Leavenworth and fell in love with its charm. This was a wonderful place that we chose to raise our family. Leavenworth County is uniquely situated. It's only 30 minutes outside of the metro, and it's deeply rooted in community. That, combined with the Fort influence, it's full of hardworking, kind-hearted people. And even a handful of people can start a movement. In 1887, a Denver woman, a priest, 2 ministers, and a rabbi got together. I know it sounds like the beginning of a bad joke, but they didn't walk into a bar. What they did was recognize the need to work together in new ways to make Denver a better place. These 5 people put together an idea that became the nation's first united campaign, benefiting 10 area health and welfare agencies. They created an organization that helps collect funds for local charities, coordinate relief services, counsel and refer clients to cooperating agencies, and make emergency assistance grants. That year, Denver raised more than $21,000 for the greater good and created a movement that would become the United Way. Here in Leavenworth County, our local chapter has been in existence since 1956. That means for more than 65 years, our community has been coming together to make a difference. But I didn't have to tell you that. If you're here, you've already experienced it. Leavenworth has been coming together to help people for a long time. I've been in fundraising for more than 15 years, predominantly in the greater Kansas City metro area. And I can tell you that here in Leavenworth County, this is a real gem. I've never encountered a more committed group of individuals who love their community so much to come together. And now more than ever is the time when we need your help. COVID has disrupted all parts of industries, It's affecting small businesses, large corporations, families, and individuals. These are the very people who turn to agencies like ours. St. Vincent Clinic, we were founded by the Sisters of Charity in 1986. These Sisters of Charity of Leavenworth sisters, they galvanized the community to get behind what we needed at that time, which was a clinic for the uninsured. And from 2013 to now, St. Vincent Clinic has received nearly $150,000 from the United Way of Leavenworth County. These funds have directly improved the health of individuals in our community. St. Vincent Clinic, we serve low-income, uninsured patients. We have a very small copay, just $15, and we never turn patients away for their inability to pay. We provide primary care services, chronic disease management, acute care, assistance with medications, physical therapy through a partnership with the University of St. Mary, and chiropractic care through a collaboration with Cleveland University Chiropractic. I can tell you that the donations that you give and make to Leavenworth County United Way stay in our county, and they help those who need it most. These people are your friends, family members, and even your neighbors. The challenges that we've experienced with COVID, they're not going away. Our clinic has been able to pivot and make critical adjustments where we needed to. Instead of all of our office visits being in person, now about 40 to 60% of those are phone visits. We've significantly increased the number of medications we're dispensing. Instead of giving 30-day supply of medications, we give almost all of our medications now out in 90-day supplies, and we've doubled the number of prescriptions that we're distributing. Furthermore, our no-show rates have continued to go down while we're seeing an increased need for our services. And this need will continue for us and for other partner agencies that United Way supports. On behalf of St. Vincent Clinic and other partner agencies, thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your commitment to your United Way of Leavenworth County, and thank you for your commitment to your friends, family members, and neighbors. Let's recover, let's rebuild, and let's be united. And now I'm going to turn it over to this year's campaign co-chair, Tamara Sevchek.
Thank you, Beth. Boy, this is sure a different year. I wish we could all be together in that room at Hallmark to show our support for the United Way of Leavenworth County. You know, though, this new way, we are coming into your homes and workplaces and may just be more beneficial for the current times we are experiencing. We hope that you will share this video with your neighbor, your coworker, and your fellow workout warrior, anyone who may have an extra dollar to share or an hour to volunteer to work for the United Way. As the spouse of a military, as the spouse of a retired military member, I want to take this opportunity to invite military and civilian employees everywhere, especially on Fort Leavenworth, to donate locally to CFC by using code 64772 when you complete your CFC donation form. Spread the word that the United Way of Leavenworth County is ready to help all of Leavenworth County recover, rebuild. We just have to be united. Let's do this, Leavenworth County. This depends on all of us. We are in this together. Thanks very much in advance for your continued support of the United Way of Leavenworth County.